Hey guys, by the way, I do apologize for missing the 22 train due to bowling this morning. Just to let you know. But anyway, it looks like we got a Kansas City Southern America leading here. That's what it looks like to me here. Yep, it is. I'm so happy about that though. He's leading a rock train or something. Sand and rock train. That's a northbound Kansas City, Southern America, Sand and rock train plus a horse show. But wait, there's a few more trains coming, and then I'm through. I'm through temporary, and then I'll eventually still return for the southbound Amtrak and some evening freights as well. Bye bye.